all is well. Today, I purchased something from the RealReal. Not today, I received it like a couple of days ago. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I compare bags, do review on bags, plus more, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. It's a pretty big box for what's inside. So it's authentic day, people. Enjoy. So I actually found a clothing piece that matches my fabric turban. She is still so gorgeous. Oh my God. I need to start going out. I am fully vaccinated, so we gotta go somewhere, right? Anyway, I'm gonna wear the turban because I gotta take some Instagram photos with this outfit. So let's just see what I purchased. So it does come with the RealReal dust bag. And here she is. It matches perfectly. Oh. Now, these are a size 40, IT 40, Italian 40. And here's the tag. I am probably gonna remove it. The damn light. See, I'm probably gonna remove it because I tried her on and it fits really perfectly. 40 pants or 42. I don't even know if it's medium or small. I have no idea. But I'm typically a US 2 pants or 4. So never 0 because my hips and butt too big. It was like a 39-inch seam. Just to give you a reference, like my husband is 6'4" and he's like, his length would be 36 or 34 sometimes, but usually 36. So this is really long. I had to, because it's authentic, I don't want to cut it. And so I kind of just like inches, like a foot. I kind of hemmed these pants on my own, but like really not tight, but loose, because if I ever want to resell it, I don't think I would. I would want the original state of the pants because you don't want to mess it up. I was planning to and maybe possibly making a mask out of it. Like that would be so freaking cute. I am loving it, but I'm not gonna do it. So here are the pants. See, it features like Gucci here, and there is the tag inside. And this was on sale for a minute, and I just kept looking at it and wondering if I should buy it. And I finally just said, forget it, I'm getting it. Size 40. And he comes with an extra button. Button that is included are these. And of course, these are functional pockets. All of the pockets are functional. Of course, the back ones are really, really small. So let's go ahead and put her on and give you an idea how this looks. If you can see, I already like hemmed them, but they're still really long. And like I said, I do not want to cut them. So I think it'll be really perfect with these shoes. Now it's gonna be all authentic day, people. So these shoes. Now these are my velvet Gucci heels. So you can see when I wear heels with it, it is perfect. Now these shoes do include this, but I removed them for this video because they're detachable. And can we guess which bag? Yes, folks. I love saying folks, I don't know why, just weird. My authentic velvet Gucci Marmont bag. And they do match the authentic heels, perfect. Because you know the evil twin one that I have, it's way too light. You can see like the difference. This is, I mean, it's really good still, obviously. But compared to the authentic, I keep doing this, huh? I'm obsessed with comparing. It is darker. You can see the, oh! See that? The evil twin is lighter, and this one can be almost a shade. look like dark. Sometimes it can look black. I love it because it's very versatile. And I'm loving this outfit. Of course, I say that to a lot of outfits, right? But no, for real, I'm loving this one. It's so adorable. Again, if you want to wear her crossbody, you just, because I don't want to mess up. I don't like, it's not going to mess up. I just don't want pressure marks. Crossbody, do this number, and it won't touch the velvet. There it is. I'm ready to go drink some wine somewhere. You know, maybe go back to Napa. I am loving these pants. But are we going somewhere? Maybe sometime soon, but right now we're going nowhere. Also, in my previous videos, I mentioned how I'm on this journey of purchasing more authentic stuff again. Just a little bit of history about me. About 8+ years ago, I started off authentic. A year and a half ago now, I discovered top high quality rep world, aka Evil Twins, and I went a little nuts. But now some bags that are Evil Twin that I actually loved, like I use them and I'm like, oh, I love this bag, I am gonna replace them with authentics, just like the Gucci Marmont Cobalt Blue bag. So soon to come, more stuff is soon to come. Thanks everybody for watching. This was so fun. I love these pants and I love that they match perfectly. Purchase these authentic at Nordstrom's and I'll link the video below. But anyway, have a wonderful day everybody and talk to you soon. Bye. And I finally have the pair that matches.